Hey folks, so end of a long weekend, but a really good one. Now I don't know if you caught it, but on, I think it was Saturday, I actually did a bit of an ad hoc live for the channel members only, and that's because DroningON now has its own membership scheme with loads of perks. We're offering way more than most other channels. You're actually getting value from joining this. Not only do you get a media library full of all of our raw clips from our drones and our Osmos and extra, all that sort of stuff, but you also get access to our DroningON Discord server, access to members only videos such as this one that I'm mentioning now, the studio tour. So basically, many of you guys are producing content for your YouTube channel and you want that channel to grow in popularity and views. So I've shared the equipment, the setup, the ideas behind designing a studio, shared all of that in a live members only video. It's on the main channel and I'll put a link to it below. You won't be able to see it unless you remember, but membership starts from as little as $1.99. So $1.99 or £1.99. So it's super cheap and you get loads of benefits. One of the levels even gets you a DroningON email address and a live monthly members meetup via video as well. Honestly, I can't even remember all the perks I've included because there are so many. So anyway, take a look at that member scheme. As I say, just click the join button. If you're on iOS, oddly, you won't see a join button. I don't know why, but many have told me that that's the case. So either go on your desktop or just click the link below and that should take you to it. Anyway, hopefully for the members watching this, the video was really useful. I loved you guys joining live and commenting on that as well. And thank you. What a great community we've already got behind the scenes in our member base. We've got a load of members already and genuinely it's great. We're bantering day and night, posting tips. I've even asked these guys for tips or suggestions on my next videos. I've even asked them to help me choose the thumbnail to use for my next videos. So it's real interaction and behind the scenes. So get involved. You're going to meet new friends, you know, everyone's chatting there when I'm not there. So it's really nice that I brought these people together and DroningON community is ever growing. So anyway, studio tour, if you want to see it, click the link in the video description below. And thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.